Meet GautMath, the app that combines AI and live tutors to solve any math question in seconds. Imagine having a personal math tutor available at your fingertips, ready to assist you anytime, anywhere. From simple addition and subtraction to intricate integrals and derivatives, this app covers it all. No matter what level of math you're dealing with, GautMath is designed to support students of all ages and skill levels. So, what exactly is GautMath? Let's dive deeper into its features and how it can revolutionize the way you approach math. It can interpret handwritten equations, typed problems, and even word problems, providing accurate solutions in a matter of seconds. Perfect for students needing quick homework help or exam prep. Whether you're cramming for a test or just need a little extra help with your homework, GautMath is the perfect companion. It can help you understand difficult concepts, practice problem solving, and prepare for exams with confidence. Just snap a picture of your math problem and get instant solutions, even for tricky topics like algebra and geometry. The app's user-friendly interface makes it incredibly easy to use. This feature is especially useful for visual learners who benefit from seeing the problem-solving process laid out clearly. Here's how it works. The AI breaks down your problem step by step, making the toughest equations easy to follow. Each step is explained in detail, helping you understand the logic and methodology behind the solution. This not only helps you solve the current problem, but also equips you with the skills to tackle similar problems in the future. And if the AI can't crack it or you need more details, live tutors are just a tap away 24/7. The live tutor feature is a game changer. Sometimes you might need a more personalized explanation or have questions that the AI can't address. In such cases, you can connect with a live tutor who can provide real-time assistance and answer all your queries. Who's GautMath for? From elementary to college students, parents helping with homework, GautMath is designed to cater to a wide audience. Whether you're a young student just starting to learn math, a high school student preparing for college entrance exams, or a college student tackling advanced math courses, GautMath has something for everyone. And even teachers explaining tough concepts. It's a game changer. Teachers can use GautMath as a supplementary tool to help explain difficult concepts to their students. Parents can also benefit from the app by using it to assist their children with homework, ensuring they understand the material and complete their assignments correctly.